Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 8. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher, with another important lecture on the poem When I Heard the Learned Astronomer, that is composed by Walt Whitman. We are discussing its exercises these days, and today's lecture would be the last lecture of this lesson. And today's lecture is all book work. You need not write anything in your neat books, so this is all book work. Open your books at page 4. Part C. Part C is learning about language. Dear students, learning about language is about adjective phrase. So first of all, I would like to discuss what an adjective is and then what an adjective phrase is. Adjective. A word that adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun is called adjective. It can be defined as a word that describes a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. An adjective has 3 degrees that compare one thing with another. For example, Ali is an honest boy. Boy is a noun and honest is a word that describes the noun boy. So the word that describes a noun is called adjective. Honest is an adjective. He is wise. He is a pronoun and wise is a word that describes a pronoun he. So wise is an adjective. Adjective has 3 degrees as I have already mentioned here. Kinds of adjectives first. First degree is called positive degree. Second degree is called comparative degree. And third degree is called superlative degrees. First of all, 1 or 2 syllable adjectives. Syllable is the unit that is used to pronounce a word. Smart. Smart is a 1 syllabled word. It has 1 syllable. Smart. It has 1 unit to pronounce the complete word smart. Its comparative degree is smarter and superlative degree is smartest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Able. Able is a 2 syllabled word. It means able has 2 syllables. Able. A1, B2. Able. Abler, ablest. You might have observed that in 1 or 2 syllable adjectives, we added ER or EST to make its comparative and superlative degrees. Then polysyllable adjectives that have more than 2 syllables. Beautiful. Beautiful has 3 syllables. Beau1, T2, full 3. It has 3 units, 3 syllables. Beautiful. More beautiful, most beautiful. Then important. Important is also 3 syllabled adjective. Important. More important, most important. You might have observed that polysyllabled adjectives take more and most to make comparative and superlative degrees. There are certain other adjectives which are called irregular adjectives. They do not take ER or EST or more and most to make comparative and superlative degrees. They have their own method. For example, good, better, best, bad, ill, evil. If they are used as adjective, they have the same comparative and superlative degrees, that is worse, worst. For example, bad, worse, worst, ill, worse, worst, evil, worse, worst. I hope you might have got the concept of adjectives here, then how to make their comparative and superlative degrees. Dear students, we have just discussed adjective. Now adjective phrase. First of all, definition of adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words. Keep it in mind, group of words, not one word, rather group of words that describes a noun or pronoun in a sentence. The adjective phrase can be placed before or after the noun or pronoun in a sentence. For example, He attended an important meeting yesterday. Important is an adjective that describes the noun meeting. This important, that is adjective here, can be changed into adjective phrase. How? See that. He attended a meeting of some importance yesterday. So of some importance is not one word, it has three words. This is a phrase, as this phrase describes the noun meeting. That's why it is called adjective phrase. See some more example. The injured horse did not run in the race. Injured is an adjective that is describing the noun horse. This can be changed into adjective phrase as well. The horse with an injury did not run in the race. With an injury is an adjective phrase. Let's see one more example. The dark-haired boy is my cousin. Dark-haired is an adjective that is describing a noun boy. This can be changed into adjective phrase. Let's see how. The boy with the dark hair is my cousin. With the dark hair is an adjective phrase. I hope you might have got the idea of adjective and adjective phrase. Now let's discuss the questions. Question number 1. Question number 1 is, in each of the following sentences, there is an adjective phrase which begins with the preposition of, with, in, etc. Underline each phrase. A. The balloon with the yellow stripes burst loudly. Here is a noun, that is balloon, and with the yellow stripes is an adjective phrase that describes the noun balloon. So with the yellow stripes is an adjective phrase. B. The dog under the table was growling at the cat on the chair. I give you the clue. Here are two adjective phrases. Number 1, under the table. Under the table is an adjective phrase that describes the dog, that is a noun. And the other adjective phrase is on the chair. On the chair is an adjective phrase that tells something about the cat. The cat is a noun here. C. Those hills in the distance form the border between the two countries. Here again there are two adjective phrases here. Number 1, in the distance. In the distance is an adjective phrase that describes the noun hills. Form the border between the two countries. Between the two countries is an adjective phrase that gives some information about the noun border. Border is a noun and between the two countries is an adjective phrase. D. We went to visit the man with the large garden. We went to visit the man with the large garden. With the large garden is an adjective phrase that describes the noun man. E. She spoke to the woman in the green dress yesterday. She spoke to the woman in the green dress yesterday. In the green dress is an adjective phrase that describes the noun woman. F. The love between mother and child is very strong. The love between mother and child is very strong. Adjective phrase is between mother and child. It is an adjective phrase that describes the noun love. The love between mother and child is very strong. G. That is the last but not the least. The artist's painting of the sea and the hills was sold for a vast sum. The artist's painting of the sea and the hills was sold for a vast sum. Here adjective phrase is of the sea and the hills. It is an adjective phrase that describes the noun painting. There is another adjective phrase that is for a vast sum. This is an adjective phrase that is describing the painting. Now move towards the next and last question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, can you find 3 examples of adjective phrases in the poem? Yes, why not? Number 1, before me. Number 2, in the lecture room. Number 3, at the stars. Number 1, before me is an adjective phrase. In the lecture room is an adjective phrase. And at the stars is an adjective phrase. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. I hope you might have understood all the concepts discussed in this poem, When I Heard the Learned Astronomer, composed by Walt Whitman. Dear students, I would advise you to go through this video lecture once again for better understanding. If you have any question, if you have any problem, you may comment in the comment section, and inshallah I'll be there to answer your questions. Till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourselves and your dear ones. Thank you very much.